Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Everyone, hello. Hope you and your family is okay. Hope everyone is having a beautiful Thanksgiving. Okay? Good morning. Me say, I hear somebody said sitting going to give me a while ago. I can't believe I forgot to pull out that ear when me done. I don't know if I do this for the curls. You see me? Let me rise out the curls and go. Yeah. So somebody just saying sitting going to give me. Well, where star post. You know what's star work list? You see me? No, I'm not hype. Say, yeah, boom, bam. Where I deal with the whole of UK big up. Say, here this somebody. Me a PNB, you know that. Me a big PNB, you know. Swear to you, my friend. Comrade straight, you know. Orange is life, you know. Right, you know. For you see me, you know, me a deal with, you know. Election time, you know. You see me a deal. You have to let them know. You see me a deal. Star, I want to kill this people. Me I'm showing up all the stars there. Star posting. Star posting with a man and say, hello, Star. Good evening. I am a 32-year-old man. And in the month times, I have a little string, a little hang off piece, round on my body, right inside of my rectum hole, in the rectum hole. And I bleed every month. I bleed for 3 to 5 days every month, Star. You see me? Does this mean that I am a fucking hermaphrodite? Make I tell you sitting, you parasite. Make I hold a conversation with you, shithouse. Make me hold a fucking talk with you. You number 32. Me don't know your name. Me don't want to know your name neither. Me get for understand so one time I don't have problem with all pretty. When fabricate up some story and send into paper, I want to send in them and I batty up me. You see me, I deal. When you look underneath the comment, you know, feel me name full underneath there. So till people I say, Jesus Christ, how this pretty daddy I say, oh my name drop in. As mean, how my name drop in a this. My name can't trap in this. You pretty that. What woman said, where can I find this pretty that? Incoherent. Not even incoherent, you know. Incoherent. I go on. Because it look like they might pay for this news. It look like they might pay for find pretty in idea. 20% battery. You me, I did my wife. They do makeover with the other friend. Them do makeover. You should have watch my story so you could have win the makeover and get it in the morning and happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. They said the incoherent to have gone to say the boy they're willing to pay for news. Willing. She said, pretty. Yes. Alright. Sir. And the boy when battery bleed with a little piece of hang off piece of red. Brother, do go and go Google. You see when time when I go try bring down. You see when time when I try bring down pretty that name, do not batty me up. Don't fucking batty me up. I beg you please. What you mean your body will bleed a mountain? Can you have man a fuck you, brother? My youth, you have one man a body a mountain, my friend. That's why your body will a leak, my friend. You see me idea, my friend? Me no know what you will, me no want to know nothing like that, my friend. Nothing like that now go on over here, so my friend. Boy, your body will a bleed and then because something and tell you. Brother, your body will. Friend, your body will a bleed. Why? Why you feel like a dirty thinking blood clot about your hermaphrodite? How that your hermaphrodite when your body will leak? How your hermaphrodite your body will leak? So we are trying to say my body will leak a month time. And that you have to try to say me a leak through my body will a month time. Me not leak through my body will a month time, bro. God. You see me a deal with? Don't mix up hermaphrodite in a fear talking. My friend, because that make no sense to me. All no, me no kind of sense to me at all. My friend, you can tell me about you. Oh. Your body will bleed a month time, and Rayante, from your 16-year-old, your body will bleed every month. Every month your body will start. Because from your 16-year-old, your uncle start fucking your body will, my friend. Your body will, crevices never get very reach back. It can't mend back. It can't succumb. How it a go fucking succumb? How that a go succumb? It can't succumb. No, you know, have all things you want to be. Why is a hermaphrodite? Because he's a batty man. You see me? And you want to have the benefit of the doubt. So you can't fuck man and not no come out it because you're a hermaphrodite. Something not going to come out it, you're a batty boy. Why? I'm a batty will not bleed a month time, my friend. And I am very much a hermaphrodite. I mean, never see batty blood yet. Never in my life more than one time me that do no. And then he bone did hard. You see me I'm a hard bone and then me have to drink like water because me a press and me a blood clot press me can't even drive. I mean at the driving position, bro. God, you see me I deal with because when time you put your blood clean elbow them by your side so and you press and me press and then whatever fly out. It fly out and it rip me. You understand? It rip me around here. You understand me? And you when I wipe, there was a little amount of blood because I was torn. You understand me? Because I hard bone. Me never did a drink water up to this day. I still don't like to drink water and that is not good. You see me I deal with? When it fly out, it rip me. You feel me? It ripped me and a slight. And one time I say I wipe and I saw a little, just on the tissue, you see just a little red spot. And you understand? You find out that you was torn. You get me? Brother, other than that, me no know nothing about nobody will bleed a month time, bro, God. And that was not no month time, no nothing. Me just did have hard bone and me press and it fly out and me tear. You see me I do car. Obviously for me body will do big like for you. So finish it then you feel me I deal with nobody with the fucking. Nobody with the fucking. You see, pray, you are going to go bring that to your star now. You leg on me down. You see me I deal with leg on my shirt, my friend. You see me I deal with no car. And then the people underneath they know I call for the name. So what would you feel like? The people want to pretend that I remember for that or what no I try to say. My body will bleed at one time. What is this when I try to tell pretty that I bleed through my rectum in the month time? No. The killing now do that here now. Yeah. I mean if they plan to come live, I mean when time me get the news, me I say what the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, fucker. In bleed through him body a month time. Them something there like disrespect. And I put hermaphrodite at the end of your sentence. Disrespectful. Me never bleed out of my body all a month time yet. But for 3-4 days. When me a bleed out of my body all 3-4 days for blood clot month for. Disrespectful. Why you don't bleed through? So we have to try to say. I show for my body well me bleed out. That's all me can see. That's all me can see. Go read it on Google, man. What is rare and tete, man. No blood clot diamond for that no bleed through the body one. Jesus, he might harm me, man. He might harm me. He might harm me right now. Yes, I feel harmed. I am armed right now. You feel me? You harm me. Me limp up right now. One of my brakes fly off. You see me I deal with one of my tire wheel or gonna upon one wheel me I drive right now. Look at my shirt. Hey boy, me. One time you say from one, alright, you see what time I get the news? When me see this star, the Jamaica star. The boy say, "Dear star, good afternoon, good evening. I am a 32-year-old man. And for 4 to 3 days out of a month, 3 to 5 days, me bleed out of my body wall. And me have one string where bleed down half of the rectum. And the boy I try pretty up the thing to and I can talk about rectum and this and ray and tear and blay and tear. And I can talk about, does that mean I'm a hermaphrodite? How that make you a hermaphrodite, brother? Oh, you know no pussy my youth. You see me I do disrespectful. You leg on my shirt. You harm me bumbuck lad. You intentionally harm me right now. Me see it. You intentionally limp me up, man. You see me a dude, you like you take a blood clot butter knife and ram me in my bumbo clot car tire. You hold on my front wheel gone. Brother! That make you a hermaphrodite for your body will bleed. Brother, that make man fuck in your body will broken. Me never pussy hole and why you coming and start with that? Why you never go ask Google? You must have a fucking hemorrhoid. Is a hemorrhoid you have in your body wall or what is it name? Pile. I must one pile you have in your body wall and your pile a bus. Every fucking month your pile bus. A pile boy have because from you know from Mrs. You see, yeah Batman, eh? Yeah one Batman. Yeah man. You wanna say oh hey. You know, say me a 32. That the boy saying 32. For 16 years now, me have this problem where every month my body will bleed. I want like a string hang off my body wall out of your crevices there. You see me I do it? And me I say, front and center. Take time now. I want to make you go on, sir. Take time, man. You have bubble and go on, sir. Relax, man. Just go on over this, man. Take time now. Go on over this, man. How that make you a hermaphrodite, brother? You know, make no sense. A pile boy of man. Circumstances make your body will bleed a month time, but not because you're no hermaphrodite, brother. And I call down that for me, my youth. And the people, shame on you all. Who was underneath there fucking talking about this shit? Disrespectful. But pretty. So when you realize them, body will bleed at one time. Boy, I don't know. Today is Sunday. I'm going to wake up for this. Today is the day of the Lord. Today is big Sunday, bro. Big Sunday. Oh, you mean? So that mean. No, me already read the comment them now. What you read? So, the man say, he is a 32-year-old man and every month his body will bleed for 3 to 5 days. And one little piece of sitting hang off in body wall. And what do him? Thursday. I choose today at Thanksgiving and then you know we look for holiday like always Sunday because it plays us peaceful everybody down there and suck pussy. So you know that say you're a big Sunday. You know you go say you know joke man. A pile. Yeah. Morning star girl kush. Rocks, me know. You know dog. Ready? I don't remember you have your side with me because that's all me say. Today Thursday. Me find out. I choose today at Thanksgiving man and on holiday. You just you know you ever look like Sunday. What me address? Me no know. A hemorrhoid the boy having a body hole. Yeah. Like alright. Me show you like where pussy hole have. You see girl, they have one sitting name. What name? Fibroids. Yeah. Them the kind of girl that bleed in a dog when them the girl see period all 40 day, 40 night in a bro God. You see the idea with when them the girl that bleed for a month all 40 day, 40 blood clot night, you know. That are the one where you call fucking. Fuck it. Me just call it there, man. Shit. What the fuck is it? Whoa. Wait. Not pile. Fuck that. Where girl sitting here? Hey, where girl sitting here? Fibroids. You see when the girl ain't got fibroids, them the girl they bleed down the place 40 day 40 bumbo clock night, you know. So you see the rate of your body well I go, me know I have a hemorrhoid. Fibroid. Oh, fibroids. Thanks for the correction. Come on, man. You know I said we never finish school. Relax. Don't embarrass me. Don't show me up. You feel me, David? Don't show me up. Fibroids. Them me attack. Them little blood clots sitting there in the bottom of my girl belly. So you see, like how your body bleed 40 day, 40 night, bro, God. Let me tell you, you have hemorrhoid, God doctor. Boy, period, you must say, Mama, come nice. Boy, I have too long seed and I'm going to do it, period. Eh? Want to tap, show me up, listen. Tap it. I see it. Fibroids. I get it. Fry rice. Come on, man. I don't know if I'm semi-illiterate, you know. Semi. Not fully illiterate, you know. Semi-illiterate. And don't judge me. Judge Jamaica. Stop on the chop. You're not going to link me in idea, yeah, bro, God. Me no want nobody can link me to them. You know, no cause. Go suck on yourself. So you see, one time, alright. When the girl them have a fried rice, you know. You see fried rice? You see... When you see them, the girl start bleeding, you know. All you as a man of us know, say you have to give that bun, you know. 40 day, 40 night, 53 day, 53 night. I saw them a bleed down your place. Your body have a hemorrhage. You see, through your body have hemorrhage. That's why that make man fuck you, bro, God. If man never did a fuck you, your hemorrhage wouldn't bust. You see me, I do it? Your hemorrhage would have never blood clot bust. Me I tell you the truth. Because you, hey, don't know my friend. You see me? Brother, me know see a thyroid you have, bro, God. Because at the end of the day, man can't bleed for 40 days, 40 nights. You can't, if you did not tell me that, me couldn't tell you, say, you have fried rice. You see me? You have fried rice. You see what they have fried rice? Yeah, girl have fried rice. You see fried rice? When them bleed for 40 days, 40 nights. If you did a one girl mood and tell her, say, yo, you have fried rice. You feel me? I do it? Pray now. You is a man. You have hemorrhoid. Thyroid. You see me? You see, you see, because you have a fucking thyroid, bro, God. That's why your body will leak, so because you make the man them bust up your shit. Yeah, man. The man them open up the whole of your blood clot back gate. Disgrace, yo. You see me? When you, hey, bro, God. Me? Yo, man, a blood clot high up your pit, man, and a fucking force every shit, man. You see me, I deal with it, yeah. How the blood clot, the man, blood clot, you want your body, what? No, me, I wonder how this man here we have big thyroid. You have thyroid. How thyroid I heard before they had reaching a one conversation, bro, God. Your back gate, bumbo clot, bust open. Man, they disgrace the whole of your shit. You see me, I deal with? No, your body wall cannot keep lock. It have it hope, none of it feed one thing, I bleed it, I do all kind of thing. Because you must have one of your thyroid. Because you see, the little piece, you see, I hang down half of you, I eat the fucking thyroid, bro, God. You see me? Man, do not bleed for 33 days to 45 days. You see me? Girl bleed 40 days, 49 days because they have blood clot virus. And one time, boy, you can't, you see me? Joke thing. Yeah. But the blood clot collapse, man, embarrass him right there. Yeah? Yes. Boy, I want dirty boy. Hey, there is no way a man can come look at me. You have 2 bars. You have 1 hood, big long one. Brother, you and me is not the same thing, bro. God. You see, Pri? You want to come and make everybody think you have fried rice. But here what I want. You are man. You want to have fried rice. You understand me? But you know what thyroid you have, you know. Here you come and try describe your thyroid to your body, man, now. Oh, you know that I bleed 3 days out of the... Brother, oh, you bleed 3 days. That is not blood. That is the shit stain. The little shit water where you see a jizzle down. Or it in a call period a month time. No go so your man. Not thyroid. 6 God. The 6 God in bumbo like I want fish. Fish that. A body for boy. You know why it hurt me? Because he called Hermaphrodite and what old Hermaphrodite and what? Yeah. Hemorrhoid. That me attack, mama. That same word. Hemorrhoid. Thyroid in my throat. Right. Too much iodine, right? Yeah, that the thyroid business. Right, hemorrhoid. Hit me attack the one that make your body drain. You see me? You bust off the wall of your hemorrhoid. The wall of your fucking hemorrhoid. Mash up. You see me? I do crystallize. I know you can't manage it. You can't tell blood clot star boy I remember for that. True, you make your body wall. You wall of your hemorrhoid. Fuck up. Crush up like newspaper, the bro God. You see me? I did? Toppy. I don't call up my name in the fucker, bro, God. Don't call my name in the fucker. Hemorrhoid, it. Hate me a talk. Eh? One boy in a star, I tell the star about, oh, I'm a 32-year-old man. And then, in the month times, I bleed 3 to 5 days. I think I'm a hermaphrodite. Brother is a body man. You know the hermaphrodite. Huh? You wall of your hemorrhoid rub out like car tire. Your hemorrhoid mash up, bro God. Tear down. Like one zinc fence, bro God. But it will collapse. Shame you. A road. You're a big body boy, man. Your body will loose and I will nod. Say, all like shit stain and the shit water. And the whole one, you never know wrong. If you have somebody, they all up in your hemorrhoid, so. All up in your fucking hemorrhoid. You never know. See? All out now fuck body so till you don't have hemorrhoid now. Is it? Now you realize what fucking body do for you. That's why you have hemorrhoid. Cause hood nothing going in your body wall. You make your man them bust up your wall of your hemorrhoid. You fuck you. That be body boy. You're dead. You wall of your hemorrhoid bash up. You see me? Your body will loose like ghost. Boy, you have blood clot, you bleed every month. That make man fuck out your shit up. You see me, I do it. Whole your body will loose, my friend. Your body will clap like a pussy clot convention, like when the JLP them don't a fucking what. Down in Jamaica, they want a big conference in your body wall. You whole your hemorrhoid, they are ground now, how you feel? Stop calling me for the name for your body life. Them body boy I get from bad to worse, you know, man. Uno want to have blood clot fried rice. So till now, you see like a hemorrhoid mash up and a bleed by you. You can talk about say, you see period. You not see no period. You cannot see period. Yeah, man, you not see period. Me I tell you that. So if you want to tell it, it's a period, you not see no period, man. Me I tell you that straight. Only girl alone see period. And enough girl, some girl bleed for all 1 week. You understand me? On a period, I say, you see period? I'm dead. 10%. 10 fucking percent. Brother, you got me at hello. I'm telling you. You got me at hello. And now you kick me down at bye-bye. Me I tell you that straight. Brother, we are calling talk about the statement, them we have blood clot talk. You understand me? Don't bring Hermaphrodite in your mouth. You feel like me I deal with? Nobody with the fucker. Star, you disappoint me. Every day. I soon come back live. Him body collapse right this upon him, shame him in front of a blood clot body. Disrespecting. Hemorrhoid mash up, tear down. Kick out like popcorn. I said kick out for the body boy them. Yeah, fish. You disrespectful how you bring blood clot Hermaphrodite into this. Don't try use Hermaphrodite for control on the body life. Because remember me have receipt. How much operation me got through my knife, dead knife up man and cut off thumper. And you come now, I can't talk about body hole at 12. Fuck you judge your body hole, bro, God. No body hole over here, so no judge your shit, me shit out of me. Never see blood yet. More than the one time when me have to press gas and it fly out and tear me. And me see like a rare. You see, bro? Nobody with the fuck, my friend. No, not me. Look at my fucking shirt. Because, you understand me? Yeah, you feel me? You kick me in my chest and drop me on my bum buckle back right now. I feel disrespected. I feel used and abused. That's why I have to come here and tell them this news. Because right now, I can't believe why this star would have posted that. Jesus Christ. Stress. Yeah. Come here, bro. What am I doing in life? Yeah? How would people think me do? Use this Hermaphrodite thing for your boss? So when Mr. Hemorrhoid want to do? Boss over this thing? Brother, nobody the fuck me. Hermaphrodite thing never bust me, bro. God, remember say I ball and come tell me secret. This cry, me cry. Me ball and say it. Come on. Me love you like life. Bye-bye. Me ball. I cried. I was hurt inside. And I said it. I said, look, I was born with a small penis and a little vagina. You don't have that. You have to bleed out about you. You have hemorrhage.